So now we'll solve next question, that is question number 17. So I'm reading that question. So the question is, a bullet of mass 50 gram is moving with a velocity of 500 meter per second. It penetrates 10 centimeter into a still target and comes to rest. So we have to calculate the kinetic energy possessed by the bullet and the average retarding force offered by the target. Okay, so we'll write given data first. So mass of the bullet is given and velocity is given. So question number 17, mass of the bullet is 50 gram, so we have to convert it into kg, so it will be 0.05 kg. Okay, so we have to divide it with 1000, so it will be 0.05 kg. Then velocity of the bullet is 500 meter per second, and then it comes to rest after 10 centimeter. It penetrates 10 centimeter. So S, displacement, penetration means displacement, S is 10 centimeter. We have to convert this into meters. Every unit we are converted into SI unit. So SI unit of distance is meter. So this will be 0.1 meter. We have to divide it with the 100. So displacement is 0.1 meter. And what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the kinetic energy and the force offered by the that target. Okay, ठीक है. So we'll solve first kinetic energy, which is half mv square. Both the values we have, so we can calculate directly. Mass is 0.05 multiplied by velocity is 500 square. So it will be half into 0.05 into 5 square is 25, and we have two zeros. When we square it, it becomes 4 zeros after squaring. Okay, now we can shift these two decimals by cancelling two zeros from this side. So we will be we'll have 1 by 2, this will be 5 into 2500. We have shifted two decimals from this. Okay, now we will divide this number by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, and this will be 0. So 5, when we multiply it with 5, then it will be 0. 5 fives are 25, carry 2, 5 twos are 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1, 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. So it is 6250 joules. This is a kinetic energy possessed by that bullet. Now we have to calculate the force. Okay, so force is force F is equals to ma, mass into acceleration or retardation. Okay, mass we have, but we don't have an acceleration. So from these two values we can calculate its acceleration. How we can calculate? We have second kinematic equation as v square is equals to u square plus 2as. We have this equation. Here final velocity will be 0 as it is stopped after hitting the target. Okay, initial velocity we have as 500 square plus 2, here it will be retardation, so it will be minus 2a, and s is 0.1, like this. Okay, so this 2 into 0.1 will be 0.2a. We will shift it to the left hand side as it is negative, so when it shift to the left hand side it become positive, 0.2a, and square of 500 will be 25, and this 4 times 0. So now we can have an acceleration a as 250,000 divided by 0.2. Again we have to shift a decimal from the denominator, so it will be 5 times 0, and this will be 2. Now we have to divide this number by 2. So acceleration a will be 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, and these zeros will be as it is. So we have 125 4 times 0 meter per second square as in retardation. We have already considered its sign, that is negative, so it is retardation. Now we have to calculate the force, so it is ma, mass into acceleration. Value for the mass is 0.05 and acceleration is 125 4 times 0. Again we need to shift the decimals from this, so it will be 125 multiplied by 125 and these two zeros. We have shifted two decimals, so I have cancelled two zeros from this number. Now we will multiply this with 5, these two zeros as it is. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, carry 1, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. So 62500, this is force, so unit will be Newton. So in this way we have calculated average kinetic energy of the bullet and the retarding force given, or yes, it is given by the target. Just pause the video and solve this sum carefully. If you didn't understand anything, you can go back and see through the steps. Now we'll solve the next sum from the same exercise, that is question number 20. So we'll write given data first. In question number 20 they have given a body of mass 60 kg has the momentum 3000 kg meter per second. So we have to calculate the kinetic energy and the speed of the body. Okay, so what is given? Mass of the body is given, that is 60 kg, and momentum P is 3000 kg meter per second, and we have to calculate its kinetic energy and the speed of the body. Solution. As we know that momentum is mass into velocity. Momentum is mass into velocity. So from this we can calculate the velocity as momentum upon mass. So we will get the value of velocity from this equation. So value of the momentum is 3000 divided by mass 60. So this 0 will get cancelled. 6 5s are 30 and 0. So 50 meter per second is the velocity. Okay. Now we have to calculate the kinetic energy. We have velocity, we have mass as also. So kinetic energy can be calculated directly from the equation half into mv square. So 1 by 2 multiplied by mass is 60 kg and velocity is 50, square of the 50. This will be 30 into 2500. So when you multiply this, you get these 3 zeros as it is, and 25 3s are 75. So 75,000 joules is the kinetic energy possessed by that body. So we have calculated velocity and kinetic energy. Given data was mass and momentum. This is the new equation which we have studied. Okay. One more question we have from the exercise that we'll solve. That is question number 23. They have given one diagram, so I am drawing that diagram first. One trolley is there which is loaded with the spring which is having velocity v. Okay, so this is a trolley and this is a spring, right? So what they have given, a spring is kept compressed by a small trolley of mass 0.5 kg lying on a smooth horizontal surface as shown in a figure. when a trolley is released, it is found to move at a speed of 2 meter per second. So first the trolley is like spring is compressed because of the trolley, and when the trolley release, then it, because of the spring force, rebound of the spring, the trolley moves with a velocity 2 meter per second. So we have to calculate the potential energy did the spring possess when compressed. So what is the potential energy? So see here, so elastic potential energy, we don't have any formula for that, but logic here is whatever the potential energy stored in the spring, the same energy get converted into kinetic when it is released. So here we have to calculate the kinetic energy and not the potential energy. Understood? So we will calculate the kinetic energy, that will be given by again the same formula, half mass into velocity square. So what is given? Mass of is 0.5 kg, then velocity 2 meter per second, and we have to calculate the potential energy, elastic potential energy. So as I have explained you, potential energy will convert into kinetic energy, therefore we will calculate kinetic energy only, that is half into mass into velocity square. 1 by 2 multiplied by mass is given 0.5 and velocity is 2, the square, then this will be 1 by 2 into 0.5, 2 square is 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 5 twos are 10 and 1 decimal. So what kinetic energy we have? That is 1 joule, and this is nothing but a potential energy stored inside the spring. As I have mentioned here, that potential energy will also only convert into kinetic energy. So we have to calculate the kinetic energy, and that is nothing but potential energy stored inside the spring.